Okay, we're going to do the first check your understanding for chapter 5 on page 292. Okay, I'm going to talk through the first one. According to the Book of Odds website, the probability that a randomly selected U.S. adult usually eats breakfast is 0.61. So explain what that probability means in this setting. What it means is that if we took samples, very large samples of many, many adults, it would probably end up that about 61% of each sample, the adults would eat breakfast, okay? Is it always going to be 61%? No. Sometimes it's going to be a little less, sometimes it's going to be a little bit more, but overall it should be about 61%. So that's what it means. Why doesn't this probability say that if 100 U.S. adults are chosen at random, exactly 61 of them are usually eat breakfast? Well, again, it's not exact. 61% is like the average of multiple samples, okay? So in a sample of 100, we're not going to get exactly 61. We might, but we probably won't. Probably get a little bit more, a little bit less. But if we take multiple samples of 100 U.S. adults, the average proportion of adults that eat breakfast will probably average out to be about 61%. Indeed, it'll approach 61. Actually, it should hit 61 theoretically if we take every group of size 100 adults, but you can't actually do that. Okay. Number 2, probability is measured is a measure of how likely an outcome is to occur. Match one of the probabilities that follow with each statement. Okay. The outcome is impossible, it'll never occur, is a probability of 0. Okay. So 2A, it is 0. That's just what it is. The outcome is certain, it will occur on every single trial, is 1. Okay, so if something's going to occur every single time, the probability is 1. It's definitely going to occur. Okay, the outcome is very unlikely, but it will occur once in a while in a long sequence of trials. Okay, so it's very unlikely, and it's only going to occur once in a while. So these are unlikely, that's even more unlikely. So this one is literally going to occur, what, 1% of the time, or point.
1 out of 100 times.
Yeah, 1 out of 100 times. Okay. So again, it could happen, but it's highly unlikely. Okay, D. Let's see. So C was put in there 1. D. This outcome will occur more often than not. Okay. So anything over 50% will occur most often, but that one will occur more times than not. Okay. So that practically will occur every single time, but not every single time. But again, 99 times out of 100. Okay. So those are our answers for that. Okay, great. See you in the next one. Bye.